Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Honor X5 Plus. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Honor X5 Plus and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Honor X5 Plus settings section. After click over there, we will see screen appear just like this. You need to click here home screen and wallpaper, and then we will see screen appear just like this. You need to click here wallpaper. After click over wallpaper, we will see there is a bunch of wallpaper but preloaded by Honor. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to set this wallpaper, and then I'm going to click here this check mark, and after click over check mark, we will see screen appear like this. Do you like to set this picture in your home screen or lock screen or both? In this video purpose, I would like to set this picture in my home screen. So I'm going to click here home screen, and then we'll see that picture is going to be set in my wallpaper. If I go back, we'll see now my phone is going to be appear new wallpaper. So within this simple way, you can easily change wallpaper in your Honor X5 Plus. Now you might be have a favorite picture and you want to set them in your wallpaper. So for that, you need to click settings section. After that, you need to click here home screen and wallpaper, and then we need to click here wallpaper, and then in this time we'll click here gallery, and it will give you a screen just like this, and here you will see all your gallery wallpaper going to be appear here. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to set this wallpaper, and then I'm going to click here this check mark, and then I'm going to click here home screen. And now we will see this picture is going to be set in my wallpaper. If I go back, we will see now my phone going to appear new wallpaper. So within this simple way, you can easily change wallpaper in your Honor X5 Plus. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.